More dumb friends.
On the previous episode, my group of friends and I drove to Oregon to start our 10-day adventure. We drove out to the coast and found camp at this beautiful finger on a mountain near Tillamook. The city of Tillamook was very cloudy and rainy, but where we camped was a few hundred feet above the cloud line. It was an absolute beautiful inversion, and the camp spot was amazing. We're on our way back into Tillamook. We're going to stop and get some ice cream at the creamery because it sounds fantastic, and how often do you get the chance to do that? The drive from our camp spot last night is like driving through the rainforest. This is amazing. It's super green, super beautiful, like moss on the trees and everything. Oregon is awesome. It's so cool out here. You're gonna hear that a lot, I'm sure.
Shut up and sit down.
She's tight. He just wants to go swimming. Cannon Beach. Yeehaw. This whole time you said to get in. More dumb friends. Big boy. Big boy. Why didn't you take your shirt off? Do you want to throw Shane your shoes? Careful, it's sharp.
Angry at us. Look at all the babies right there.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
Things up here.
The boys, we made her. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. What's this rock called?
I don't know. Seagull rock.
Seagull rock. Cannonball on Cannon Beach.
Salty. It's behind you. It's behind you.
More dumb friends.
Oh, this is gonna be cold.
The quicker you do it, the quicker it is.
Got it. That actually is very impressive. No, that's gonna tip it over the front. You gotta put it on the red one. On the red one. All you accomplished was nothing.